Forgotten username recovery failed on Spotcap Fix. If your Spotcap username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume Spotcap still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Spotcap now uses your registered email address as your main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Spotcap app or go to the official website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you use, check your inbox for past messages from Spotcap, like loan confirmations or account statements. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear right away. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, make sure to use the same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Spotcap support. Provide your full name, registered email, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users think their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Spotcap removed usernames to streamline login and enhance security. So don't stress, your account and business funds are safe. Just log in using your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Spotcap loans and finances in minutes.